Greetings, road warriors and fellow nomads. Today, we're diving deep into a crucial aspect of your nomadic journey, your RV and travel trailer tires. Buckle up as we unravel the secrets to ensuring your wheels not only roll but roll strong. Let's hit the road with confidence. Affiliate disclosure. Before we embark on this tire-centric exploration, a quick pit stop. Some of the tire recommendations we'll be discussing today have affiliate links, located in the description. Choosing to upgrade your tires through these links not only enhances your RV but also supports more content like this. Now, let's gear up for a smooth and safe journey. Choosing the right treads. Tires tailored to terrain. Terrain considerations. Explore the variety of RV tires designed for different terrains, from highway cruising to off-road adventures. Brand spotlight. Dive into trusted brands known for durability and performance on the open road, such as the Primo Hauler all-season trailer tires by VENOM POWER. Size matters. Selecting the perfect fit. Size guide. Understand the importance of selecting the right tire size for your RV or travel trailer. Travel trailer tires come in a variety of sizes, so check your RV guide for the correct size. Load range. Be aware that your load range impacts your overall towing experience. Pressure points. Maintaining optimal tire pressure. Importance of pressure. Your tire pressure plays a critical role in fuel efficiency, tire lifespan, and overall safety. TPMS, Tire Pressure Monitoring System. Explore the benefits of a TPMS for real-time pressure monitoring on the road. You can find options available on my online store by visiting https://everythingrvsandmore.myshopify.com/. Seasonal wisdom. All-season versus specialized tires. All-season versatility. Evaluate the benefits of all-season tires for varied weather conditions. Specialized options. Consider specialized tires for specific climates or adventures, such as winter or off-road excursions. Tire care tips. Extending the lifespan. Rotation and alignment. Regular tire rotation and alignment for even wear are also just as important. Storage considerations. Consider properly storing your RV or travel trailer tires during extended periods of inactivity. Conclusion. There you have it, your comprehensive guide to RV and travel trailer tires, ensuring your journey is not just about the destination but the smooth roll to get there. If you found these tire insights valuable, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more RV wisdom, and check the description for links to the recommended tires. Short, sweet, and to the point. Safe travels, and may your RV journey be marked by the confident roll of quality tires. Until next time, happy trails.